Hand spinner. This small device is basically a flat construction with holes for the fingers. It consists of 3 parts: the frame with the holes, the special plugs, and the external pads. To operate the device, you must grab it from the center using your thumb and your middle finger. With the other hand, hit the edge of the device and the wings will start spinning. The price of the hand spinner is $5. Cronzy pen. This incredible pen has a small scanner located at its base that allows the user to scan the colors of any object and use them. All you need to do is place the pen against the desired object, and the ink cartridge of the pen will allow you to use that same color to draw. This device has an application for Android, iPhone, and Windows. The pen is available in silver and black. And the pen is sold along with a charger, a pair of cables, 5 tips, a couple of cartridges, and the instructions. The minimum price of the fabulous Cronzy pen is $220. Zeek. Inside this device, which resembles a normal pillow, are located hundreds of sensors that analyze everything that happens to the user. In addition to registering the phases of sleep, the Zeek pillow can play relaxing music when you go to bed to help you fall asleep more quickly. It also has a microphone that records snoring. When the user starts to snore, the pillow begins to vibrate slightly to force the person to change position. This smart pillow can be purchased for $129. Airblock. The feature that makes Airblock different from other remote control toys is the possibility to program it, configuring the trajectory and the movements of the device. This drone has a central module and 6 propulsion modules that are attached to the base with the help of magnets. The best thing is that they can take any position, creating different effects. The user can create a drone with 2 or 3 propellers, or experiment with how to locate all the engines in the vehicle. The product includes a second central module that allows you to create a small boat with an inflatable base. This toy costs $99. E-Micro 1. The motor of this electric scooter is put into operation by pressing the brake pedal 3 times. With the engine off, E-Micro 1 is a common scooter. With the help of a magnetic switch, you can easily choose one of the 3 speeds offered by the computer program on board. The lights on the back of the platform show the battery level and help you choose the right speed. The battery of the scooter is fully charged in 1 hour and has a lifespan of at least 1,000 energy cycles. The initial price of eMicro 1 is $1,000. Electrofan. White noise, a form of ambient sound, is a great method to improve the quality of sleep, preventing a person from suddenly waking up and helping those who suffer from insomnia. The Electrofan has 20 noise modes. In addition, the volume level can be set between 0 and 20 decibels. The sounds are produced by the device and are not repeated. The gadget features a 60-minute timer and 7 different sound scenarios. The price of this invention is $50. Bonjour. This smart alarm clock not only awakens the user in the mornings, but is also a pretty good assistant. The artificial intelligence of the device, after studying the habits of the user, understands at what time he should wake him and on what days of the week. Bonjour can be configured with the help of an application for iOS and Android, and can be controlled with voice commands, thanks to its ability to understand humans. For that reason, it will not be a problem to ask it for some relaxing music after a hard day of work. The price of this device is $120. The unique chair has 2 special elements. The first of these elements is the seat pillow, located on a cloth-covered exercise ball. It's held in place thanks to 4 sturdy strings. The pillow can be regulated in various ways to increase the mobility of the person sitting in the chair. The second innovative element of the chair is its soft backrest, attached to a double base. The backrest ensures support on the upper back, eliminating the tension of the lower back. It's also possible to regulate the backrest to make it more comfortable, depending on the user's preferences. The price of this chair is about $350.